Hello and welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see a very healthy country chicken recipe, which is Kadaknat chicken. This particular breed of chicken, which originated from Madhya Pradesh, is known for its nutritional value because of its high protein and low fat content, besides many other essential minerals. So friends, let's get started with this healthy as well as tasty chicken recipe. So here I have taken around 650 grams of Kadaknat chicken, which has been cut into medium size. The peculiarity of this breed of chicken is that the skin and flesh are of black color. This black meat chicken has a lower cholesterol content and a higher amino acid content, thereby excellent for heart and diabetes patient. And now we shall marinate the chicken. First, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. This is curd or dahi, adding around 1 tablespoon of it. Next goes 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of chicken masala powder. Now mix everything well and rub all the ingredients well over the chicken pieces. And we will let the chicken rest for at least 1 hour. And now I am going to prepare a homemade spice mix. For that you will need 2 dry red chilies, 5 to 6 cloves, 1 black cardamom or bari elaichi, 3 green cardamoms, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 3 small pieces of cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon of fennel or sauf, 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera, 1 teaspoon of coriander or dhania seeds. And now we need to dry roast them. For that, heat a pan or karhai, and into it we will add the whole spices except the cumin seeds, coriander seeds and the fennel seeds or sauf, because they don't take much time to get roasted. Once these are half roasted, we will add them later. And now we will add the coriander, fennel seeds and cumin seeds. So these are done. I'll turn off the flame and allow them to cool down slightly. Once the whole spices have cooled down slightly, we will transfer them to a spice or chutney jar and will grind them into a powder. Let's check this once. So our spice mix is ready. I'll transfer this to a bowl. We won't need all of this spice mix, only 1 or 1.5 teaspoon will be enough. The rest can be stored in a container and can be used in any chicken, mutton or fish gravy. And now let's start with the cooking process. For that, heat a pot or karhai, and into this I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. You can add any other vegetable oil of your choice. And when the oil is hot, I will add into it 2 bay leaves, 1 whole dry red chili and 1 large onion which has been thinly sliced. And on medium flame, we will saute the onions till they turn golden brown. So by now the onions have turned golden brown. Next goes 3 tablespoons of onion ginger garlic paste, and we will saute this until the raw taste of onion ginger garlic goes away. So by now the onion slices and the onion ginger garlic paste has been sauteed well. And now into this I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix this well. And now time to add the marinated Kadaknat chicken. Increase the flame to high and we will saute the chicken for at least 5 to 6 minutes on high flame. So I have been frying the chicken for almost 4 minutes now. And by now they are well coated with the fried onion slices and the onion ginger garlic paste. Now into this I am adding 2 medium potatoes cut into this size, and I will fry the chicken along with the potatoes, say for another 1 to 2 minutes. And now we will cover and cook the chicken on low flame for 10 to 12 minutes. It's almost 12 minutes. Let's check the chicken. So by now the chicken has been well fried. I'll add some water from the bowl where I had marinated the chicken. Give a mix. And now again we will cover and cook the chicken on medium flame for 15 minutes, as country chicken take a bit longer time to get cooked. It's almost 15 minutes now. And now time to add our prepared spice mix. Say around 2 teaspoons, as we are not adding any other spices apart from this, and half teaspoon of salt, as little bit of salt was required. Give this a mix. And now again we will cover and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. Let's check now. The chicken must be cooked by now. I'll check with a fork. And yes, the chicken is cooked well. So it took almost 40 minutes for the chicken to get well cooked. Before turning off the flame, I will add some finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. Give a final mix. That's it. I will turn off the flame and arrange them in a serving bowl. So friends, here goes our healthy as well as tasty Kadaknat chicken on the serving bowl. You can enjoy this healthy chicken recipe with hot steamed rice or even with roti. So friends, I hope you will try this healthy Kadaknat chicken recipe. Also share your feedbacks, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more healthy and interesting recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.